Hey gang, it's that time of year again, and you know what that means. New stuff, special holiday pricing, and just a general sense of merriment and cheer. So we're going to kick things off with one of our favorites, the Home for the Holidays Jenny bit pack from Cadence Manufacturing. This year there's some really cool new bits in the set. The pack includes, of course, the classic Jenny 1/4 inch compression bit, just an absolute workhorse, probably the most used bit in my shop. A Groovy Jenny 60-degree vbit, great for engravings and inlays. The Skinny Jenny tapered ballnose bit for those highly detailed 3D carves, the Downtown Jenny 1/8 inch downcut spiral bit, and one of my new favorites, the Molly Mill, in both the 1/8 inch and 1/4 inch versions. This one has a tapered tip that's specifically designed for drilling operations, which spiral bits aren't normally designed to do. Check out this cribbage board I just made with it. I don't even know how to play cribbage. I just thought it was some vegetable. It's the season of giving. To yourself. So, get yourself the gift that keeps on giving, only available at onefinitycnc.com.